just a girl with her guitar, trying to give it my whole heart. If there's anybody out there listening to me, all I have is a story and a dream. So here I am, this is all I can be. I know I forget to breathe sometimes. I'm so afraid to fall behind. Why do I let the pressure take over my mind, when I know the truth is never wrong? I'm alright, this is right where I belong.